Happy holidays to everybody out there. I am gonna go over 5 critical tools or accessories in anybody's woodworking shop, so stay tuned. So the first one is the FastCap metric standard tape. It has the dual reed scale on it in metric and imperial, but at every 32mm increment, there's a little dot, so it helps you lay out frameless cabinets at the 32mm increments, just like the diamonds on a regular tape for 16 on center. So you need this piece of steel. And what is it? It's one of the most used tools in my shop. It is a cabinet scraper. Our very first video on SedgeTool 2 years ago, I showed you how to put the perfect burr on this. Every single shop needs one of these. It is a digital caliper. It helps you read something that you bored out, read the bore size. It'll help you read a diameter. It'll help you check out a thickness. You need one of these. So one of the things that lives in my pouch, and it has for 15 years, is the PICA. And what's sweet about it, I bought it over in Germany. It's here in the States now. Check the link below. I use it to mark boards. I like the thick, stout lead, and there's a little sharpener right on the end. But what is really cool is right here. I just picked this up. It's the new 9mm PICA. So the last item on the list is a pouch that I helped design with Patrick and Michelle at Leather by Dragonfly. Links down below. Go get one. You got plenty of storage. We designed it for the markers. We designed it for utility knife. I just needed a bare bones one for my tape. I live with this thing. It has a magnet here, of course, 5mm wrench. But up on a ladder, I have all my bit tips and I can put some screws there. It is built with a heavy duty belt clip and works fantastic. So go get your pouch at Leather by Dragonfly. Okay, everybody, that is our holiday gift card for 2022. And go check it out. Hey, links down below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And what else? Oh, I forgot. Happy Christmas and Merry New Year! Hey, looking for a great 2023 with all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. You guys are the best.